There's a number of things that make the Global Vision cockpit very special. The technology that we're working with is the best in the industry. And in some ways, it is the best kept secret in Bombardier that we are working on the latest technologies in commercial and business aircraft with this new cockpit. And so it's very, very exciting for us and our team.
Le poste du pilotage du Vision est assez unique par son intégration dans l'espace. C'est cutting edge, comme on dit en anglais. Tous les pilotes qui l'ont vu l'ont adoré, sont tombés en amour instantanément avec. Et les pilotes qui le volent présentement l'adorent.
Definition of vision, for me, is the ability to have the foresight to even dare to dream of such avant-garde technology, have it developed, and be the first to have it enter the market.
Some of the challenges we had in designing the Vision flight deck was pushing against the notion in the industry that what a flight deck is all about and what a flight deck should be.
What makes the Global Vision cockpit different than anything else on the market really is the attention to detail that we put into it. We're really treating the cockpit like an extension of the cabin, and that's really never been done before in the industry. And we're doing it in a way that raises the level of quality in every small detail and puts all of the interactions that the pilot has really at the forefront. So obviously there's the ProLine Fusion avionics suite. There's all the different flight controls. The placement of all those is critical, and that's done under the direction of the human factors team. And we worked closely, of course, with them to look at not only those primary flight controls, but the overall environment. So where are the pilots storing their own personal items, their own flight manuals? When they're taking notes, do they have a notepad close at hand? So all of these different elements need to be combined in a single system.
One of the big exciting features is the synthetic vision on the HUD. Global Vision is the first one to actually certify this type of technology. Gives the pilots a tremendous eyes forward, eyes out the window type philosophy, which I think BA and Rockwell Collins both agree upon. But even more, this technology is going to grow into the future so that pilots can actually have lower landing minimums using synthetic vision on the HUD.
Modern. It integrates all the old system into a single platform, where we used to have to jump from box to box to box and go from an FMS to a radio to a tuning dial to this. We can all do it in one location now, so it's a big upgrade and change from the last aircraft.
I think the Vision cockpit is special more than the Classic because you went from a Cadillac to a Ferrari, you went to something at a state of the art, that any customer that has a Global or any other aircraft, once he sees this cockpit, is going to say, wow, it's very impressive.
Le poste de pilotage Vision, c'est vraiment quelque chose de spécial parce que c'est un mariage parfait de l'ergonomie, du design et de la technologie. Et ça, on pense définitivement être les premiers sur le marché. On est les chefs de file grâce à ce poste de pilotage-là. Ça va nous positionner dans le marché comme il n'y a personne qui l'est présentement. On a travaillé énormément pour avoir une ergonomie puis un confort au niveau du poste de pilotage pour les pilotes. Et finalement, toute la technologie, les fonctionnalités qui sont dans le cockpit, on est chef de file définitivement. Il n'y a pas un cockpit qui a présentement ce niveau technologique-là. Donc le mariage de ces trois choses-là ensemble nous positionne extrêmement bien. On sait qu'on est chef de file sur le marché avec ça et on en est très fiers.
I think that everybody who worked on it had a sense of pride. You know, there's something to be said for belonging to a collective vision, which is, you know, the Vision cockpit.